Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to attempt to show you how to draw something like this pretty easily. You know, that might take you a little bit of time with other tools. We're going to use the Distort Tool of all tools you wouldn't think you would use. I'm holding down the control button. I'm making a new shape with the Smart Fill tool. That, by smart filling it, I made a new shape. Now I can left click, right click. You don't have to put a line down the middle, but I'm going to put a line down the middle. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to hit my other one and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now I can weld this. Well, that isn't what I wanted. Probably the easiest thing to do is just take your virtual segment and delete key and delete those lines. Now we can combine these to make them all one object. I don't really think it matters. But then get the Distort tool. Make sure it's Make sure it's set on this one right here, which is twister distortion. Kind of go from the middle, and you can just kind of see how you can twist it. You can change your degrees here quite easily, make it 45. You know, you can go the other direction. There's probably a lot, you know, you can do with this. You know, it would take you a little bit of time to draw that. And if you were going to make a leaf out of that, you could make the lines a little thicker. Well, it's probably too thick. And then smart fill it and have you a leaf. Now, you could also, at this time, take your interactive fill tool and, you know, this one is reacting because I had it clicked. So if we add a little yellow to that, and now if we take, you know, this is a good lesson right here to take the attribute eyedropper. We're going to copy that attribute and put it over there. Of course, you know, you might want to go the other way with the other, you know, interactive fill tool. So you need to select this one this time, get the interactive fill tool and go the other way and put a little yellow on this end. A lot you can do. You wouldn't think about the Distort tool, you know, helping you do that. And also you can see my line in the middle is not really visible. So we can select that, hold down the shift key, you select that, go to object, order back a page, and that's going to put that line in the front of the page if that's the size, you know, point you wanted. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.